Hey, I have a question for you. Have you ever thought about what happens when you combine a cupcake with a person? No? Of course you have. Everybody's thought of that. Well, today you're going to see how to draw it. We're going to make a cute cupcake. We're going to personify a cupcake. We're going to add features to an inanimate object, which is always a fun thing to do. So I'll make this a little bit lower because we're going to add a candle on top. So this is you worry about the basic shapes when you do personification of characters. That's the basic thing, the shape. The overall shape is what you're really caricaturing. So that is the muffin, the cupcake shape. And now from this, go on top, make it rise up a little bit more, like that, and we will make that kind of squiggly extra dough that comes up like that. Okay? We'll put a little bit of a candle straight there. I'll bring that down a touch. So here's the candle. Striations on the side. And now we'll bring the face way down low. Here's the center line. Here is the eye line. Gigantic eyes. No doubt you've seen this on many cupcakes. All right, let's see. And big pupils. So have them look out the side. Kind of expression should I give him? Should I give him a worried expression? Make him a worried cupcake. That'd be funny. It's not enough that he's a cupcake and a person, but he's a worried cupcake. Okay, let's do that. Let's make him a worried cupcake. Here we go. I'll bring this in a little bit. Kind of slenderize it a touch, and the bottom is rounded, not straight across. Rounded. Okay. Now let's get our trusty pen and finish the rest of this. Let's see. Oh, okay, I can make this a little bit taller. That's good. I didn't think the camera was showing enough of it, but it is. I will then erase some of this. A little inner flame here. On the top of the muffin here. And make this extra bumpy. Kind of like a hairdo. Bottom here, and let's put a little shadow here. Very careful. Try and draw the eyes fairly symmetrically. How about he's looking up at the candle? He's like worried it's going to melt. All right, so let's do that. Let's have the eyes looking straight above. And to do that, he's going to have to draw his eyes. We're going to have to draw the eyes together, not just looking straight, but he's looking straight up and in the middle. There we go. Let me just erase these other lines. One of the eyes always look very clean, easy to read. Let me just see if I can quickly erase some of this stuff and we'll see what we have underneath. There we go. Extremely worried muffin. A very worried muffin. Don't worry, little guy. It'll be okay. Hey, I enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed it too. I have many more character designs to show you, so I hope you will subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.